Hello friends and welcome back to the Radeon channel. So friends, today I will talk about ACER Radeon RX 9070 Nitro and BiFrost Predator graphics card. So friend, ACER has unveiled 6 Radeon RX 9070 graphics card, and both cards feature a triple fan design kept in black and silver aesthetic with metal parts, and they are also 2.5 slot thick, and judging from the renders and the high specification variant, and both cards feature a triple fan design keep in black and silver aesthetic with metal parts, and they are also 2.5 slot thick. The main difference between the BiFrost Predator and Nitro series in the cooler design, the specifications are the same and the size is same. There doesn't seem the benefit of choosing Predator over Nitro, as one gets the same performance but in slightly different design. ACER already shipping the RX 9070 cards to retailer. Pricing isn't clear at this moment. We can only see the placeholder without stock, but there is a good news is that ACER is not limited in their cards OEM and pre-built system, and will also offer this graphics card through DY Market. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.